3. All right, so I have arrived. And so for this upcoming wedding up here in Big Bear, they actually rented all these cabins. Now, here's the problem. We're up in the mountains, so some of the challenges are going to be reception. Another problem is going to be finding a real good flat surface with enough clearance to have the actual 360 booth arm extended to a good point. So I was considering that area right there, removing that plant, or this area right here where these chairs are at. But check this out. It's pretty close to being flat. Not 100%, but maybe we can level out the booth using the legs as best as possible. Let's go check out this side right over here. So, let's see here. Not too bad. All right, put this in my pocket. I also brought my gateway tower just because I know that up here in Big Bear, the reception is not the greatest. So there's a power outlet right over there. And so this is what I'm going to be doing next. We're considering this area as well. What I could bring is like maybe like a 3x3, very thin plywood surface, and see how that would work out. It gives us a lot of open space. Maybe even set up the prop table against where those chairs are at right there. That would be possible there. That could be an option for us. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the gateway to this outlet right here. But as you guys can see, I can't put this in here because this is blocking this right here. See that? It won't allow me. So I brought this right here that's going to give me the opportunity to plug this in like so. That. Okay. Now I can grab this and plug that in to here. And I'm trying to do this with one hand, of course, with my strong hand. And so let me turn this on. Put you down here real quick, baby. And right there. And then fire that up. And this usually takes a full 2 minutes to do its thing. In a few moments, what we're going to do together is I'm going to run the Snappic app to run a simulation as far as what the speeds are going to be when it comes to downloading these videos in an area where reception is spotty. So let's do this, guys. I'm going to pull out my phone, and I already have an event created on Snappic here. You guys are probably wondering, David, why do you use Snappic? Well, because at the current moment of recording this video, Snappic is still the highest quality recording software app. So let's go see and launch Snappic here. Yeah. I'm gonna refresh. Let's make sure that the Wi-Fi is already kicked in. So the Wi-Fi is connected to Canary Capital. You can see it right there. And here is my event. I called it Big Bear. I'm gonna go ahead and just use the rear camera. I'm gonna start the booth. It's loading up the events. So the towers are way over there. One thing I want you guys to note is that 5G wasn't designed to run far distances. So a 2.4, like for example 4G, it'll allow you to connect if you're further away. 5G, you want to be within a close proximity to really take advantage of the full bandwidth. Just the way that frequency works. So you're gonna go ahead and tap, get ready. Let's see how long it takes. All right, here's the part that I'm really curious to see. It's rendering at a decent speed. Just gonna make sure it renders all the way with no interruptions. And so far I can say, yeah, it's doable. Now, so that part right there, checked off the list. We are definitely gonna have enough reception using the 5G gateway over there. Out of curiosity, and I think we should do this here while I'm up here in the mountain, what if we ran that again, but this time we disconnected away from the Wi-Fi completely and just ran it off the regular service? So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to do that just to give you guys some really good insight. Once again, if you could hit the like button, this is a complete waste of my time. I know it doesn't sound right, me saying this out loud, but this is just me being very honest, guys. I could have been doing other things right now, but I'm slowing down to help you guys out. So please hit the like button. All right. So now I'm just going to be running off my phone and do the same exact thing. I'm going to record another video, and I want to see how fast this is going to kick in here. Phone down. It's recording, rendering the video. So yeah, so even running on the actual data plan, it's still speedy. So I have options. I probably will bring the 5G gateway tower just in case. But yeah, it's actually working okay. So I'm satisfied there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to call the client and I'm going to let them know exactly what it's looking like from my point of view. So let's go ahead and give them a call now. Microphone check. Really quick, guys, and I'm sure this information is going to help a lot of you guys, especially if you're using the older 360 booth generation. When it comes to events, sometimes you might end up at a place where you have to get set up on the grass, and the grass, we all know, is uneven, right? Or in this case, you end up in a situation where you have to set it up on uneven terrain, dealing with this time around. So what I'm going to do on my Snappic application to prevent the shakiness is I'm going to crank up the stabilizer. And so cranking up the stabilizer is going to give you smooth footage. I'm going to show you guys how I do that here on this application. And this is another reason why I switched to Snappic and have been using Snappic and constantly tell you guys about how great Snappic is, because in reality, it is what it is. And right now, Snappic is still winning. If you guys want to sign up for Snappic for a 7-day free trial, you can use my affiliate link in the description box below. If you guys sign up for like a month or a full year, you guys will get 10% off using this link as well. So that's as best as I can do right now to help you guys with that part of your business, is using a reliable software, a powerful software, and an innovative company like Snappic. Man, that right there sounded like I was shooting a commercial, but it is what it is, guys. And if someone in the industry comes with a better photo booth app software, then tell me about it, because I'm going to continue experimenting so that I can run my business as efficient as possible. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. And if you like this video, please hit that like button. If you don't like the video, damn, what can I say?